BrightFunded scored 95 out of 100 in our testing. That's second place in our 2026 rankings and the only non-broker backed firm to crack 90 points. We bought their challenges with our own money. We put them through the same testing process we've used for years. And here's what we found. Hi guys, I'm Noam, co-founder of Best Prop Firms. Justin and I are also the founders of CompareForexBrokers.com. We have over 12 years experience in the trading space. 0 paid placements, 0 sponsored rankings. We pay for our own challenges, we trade them live, and we share what we find. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll tell you how to win cash and funded accounts in our monthly competitions. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next review. BrightFunded is built for 3 types of trader. 1, you want long-term scaling with no hard cap. 2, you want a profit split that can reach 100%. 3, you want rewards for every trade, not just the winners. It's not for you if you need broker-backed live execution. BrightFunded runs a simulated environment. If that's a deal breaker, check our reviews of DNA Funded, 8-cap challenges, and Blueberry Funded. BrightFunded updated their plans in April 2026. 3 focused options now, not 7 confusing program types, just 3. You pick based on speed and risk tolerance. Plan 1 is their 2-step Bright. Phase 1 target 8%, Phase 2 target 5%, daily drawdown 4%, max drawdown 8%, and drawdown type static. Plan 2 2-step Classic. Phase 1 target 10%, Phase 2 target 5%, daily drawdown 5%, max drawdown 10%. Drawdown type static. Plan 3 1-step single phase target of 10%, daily drawdown 3%, max drawdown 6%, and drawdown type trailing. Account sizes are the same across all 3 plans: 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, and 200,000. 100,000 is by far the most popular size. Fees vary by plan. For the $5,000 account, Bright is €47, Classic is €49, 1-step is €49. For the $200,000 account, Bright is €947, Classic €997, and 1-step is €997. Mid-range sizes scale between these anchors. Bright is the cheapest plan at every size. Use PropFirms20 at checkout for 20% off any plan, any size. The key differences: Bright is tighter on drawdown, but cheaper and easier on profit target. Classic gives you more drawdown room, but demands 10% in Phase 1 and costs slightly more. 1-step cuts the evaluation in half, but comes with trailing drawdown. One word on that, trailing drawdown. Your max drawdown tracks your highest balance. If your equity climbs, your drawdown floor climbs with it. Translation: profits you give back can still blow your account. Traders new to trailing drawdown get burnt by this. Plan accordingly. There's minimum 5 trading days per phase across all plans. And here's a detail most reviewers miss. Each trade has to stay open for 60 seconds. Otherwise, it doesn't count as a trading day. Here's where BrightFunded separates itself. First, the unlimited scaling plan. Every 4 months, you can grow your account by 30% of the original size. To qualify, you've got to be profitable in 2 of the 4 months. 10% combined profit over the period. 2 payouts completed, positive or break-even balance at the end. No cap on scale-ups. A $200,000 account can grow long-term with no ceiling. On your 3rd scale-up, you unlock a 100% profit split. That's the ceiling most prop firms never let you touch. Second, and this is the one we find genuinely different, the Trade to Earn loyalty program. Most prop firms reward you for winning. BrightFunded rewards you for trading. You earn tokens for every trade, win or lose. Tokens accumulate in your dashboard. you can redeem them for free evaluations, higher profit splits, lower profit targets, increased drawdown, double challenges, and discounts. We've tested a lot of firms. We haven't seen another firm do this. It's a structural answer to a real problem. Losing traders burn out fast and leave. Trade to earn gives active traders a reason to stay, even through drawdowns. On pricing, BrightFunded holds up better than expected. They're not broker backed, but the numbers are tight. Euro USD spreads from 0 pips, average 0.1 pips during peak sessions. Bitcoin spreads from 10 cents, average $1. That's dramatically better than the $5 to $10 crypto spreads at other firms. Commissions, $3 per lot per side on Forex. The industry average here is $3.50, so they're slightly below the average. Markets, they've got 49 Forex pairs, 35 crypto assets, including altcoins and meme coins, indices, commodities, and metals. They offer leverage of 100 to 1 on Forex, above the 30 to 1 industry standard. 5 to 1 on crypto, above the 2 to 1 standard. They have 3 platforms available too: CTrader, DXTrade, and MetaTrader 5. One caveat from our testing, we hit some glitches with DXTrade. We switched to MT5 partway through. CTrader worked fine. So if you prefer CTrader, go with that. If you're MT5 native like I am, no issues. We'd avoid DXTrade probably with BrightFunded until they clean it up. In terms of payouts, they have profit splits that start at 80%. They have an add-on where you can reach up to 90%. Reach 100% after your third scale up. First payout 30 days after your first funded trade. After that, bi-weekly by default. Weekly with a 25% fee add-on. They have no minimum withdrawal, which is unusual and useful for smaller payouts. They offer bank transfers in Euro only, crypto withdrawals, USDC on ERC20, but if you're outside Europe, factor in conversion on bank transfers. Before I get into our BrightFunded test, a note on how we do this. We test every prop firm the same way, a one-step $25,000 challenge. Same plan type, same account size, across every firm we review. Results are directly comparable. Now, we get asked every day whether we passed a specific firm. We're not actually going to tell you that, not because we're hiding anything, because it's the wrong question to be asking. Across 30 plus firms that we've tested, we've passed some, blown others, and learned a lot from both. One trader's passing means nothing for your odds. Your strategy, your risk tolerance, your time zone, your account size, all of that matters more than whether Justin or I passed a specific challenge. What you should be choosing a prop firm on is the company behind it. Are they trustworthy? Are they paying out? The platforms, do they work? Are they the ones you trade on? The fees, what do you actually pay when you stack entry, add-ons, and reset costs? The challenge rules, do they match how you trade? That's what this review covers. We're putting together a separate series where we break down our full trading results across every firm. Subscribe if you want to see it when it drops. BrightFunded launched their one-step plan in April 2026. So our test was on their newest offering just weeks after launch. The one-step targets 10%, daily drawdown 3%, max drawdown 6% trailing. We used MT5 DXTrade and had some minor glitches when we tested that platform earlier, so we stuck with MT5. One critical point about the 6% trailing drawdown. Your max drawdown tracks your highest equity. If you go up to $500, then give it back, your drawdown floor moves to $500 with you. Most traders blow the one step on trailing drawdown, not on the profit target. Protect unrealized gains more aggressively than you would on a static plan. One thing to be upfront about, this is a simulated environment. Your trades aren't going to a live market. For most traders, this doesn't matter. If you specifically want broker-backed live execution, DNA-funded, 8-cap challenges, or Blueberry-funded might suit you better. All right, let's have a look at pros and cons. The pros, up to 100% profit split, unlimited scaling, 35 crypto markets with 5-to-1 leverage, the trade to earn loyalty program, which is definitely best in class. Some of the cons include simulated trading environment, higher fees on some add-ons, Euro Bank or USDC crypto withdrawals only. But here's our bottom line. We've given it 95 out of 100, which reflects what BrightFunded does well. They've got simple challenge structures, fair rules, widest crypto market access in prop trading, unlimited scaling, a genuinely unique loyalty program. The trade-offs, however, are a simulated environment, Eurocentric payouts, and if those aren't deal breakers, BrightFunded is one of the strongest long-term plays in prop trading right now. Use PropFirms20 at checkout for 20% off any challenge. Link in the description down below. Guys, just a quick one before you go. If you got value out of this review, do two things for us. First, subscribe. We drop a new prop firm review every single week. Full testing, honest breakdowns, no paid placements. Secondly, join our Discord community, The Trading Desk. Thousands of traders are already in there. We provide latest discount codes, exclusive giveaways, and our monthly competitions. The link is in the description. And here's what I promised at the very start of this video. Every month we run a trading competition. Real cash, real funded accounts on the line. The top 10 traders win funded accounts. Places 11 to 50 get free challenges. Details and entry can be found at competitions.bestpropfirms.com. See you in the next review.